I'm Steve from Truyard, Australia, and today we're taking a look at the Truyard LS30 30-tonne log splitter. At the heart of the machine is your choice of either a Honda or Kohler 4-stroke engine, driving a heavy-duty hydraulic system capable of delivering up to 30 tonnes of splitting force. The Truyard LS30 can be operated either in the horizontal or vertical position, saving your back from lifting some of those heavy rounds. So if you're looking for a durable and reliable log splitter this season, the Truyard LS30 is definitely one worth considering. So go check it out at truyard.com.au or contact your nearest Truyard dealer for pricing and availability. Cheers.